With the engine in, I was a bit skeptical about doing the timing belt and advancing the fuel pump myself. And since it's such a critical part to the engine, I wanted to make sure it was done right the first time. So Lee from Land Rover Darwin was kind enough to drop by the shed and teach me the ins and outs of changing the belt and advancing the fuel timing. With the belt changed and the fuel timing advanced, it was finally time to kick over the engine for the first time in over a year.
Alright, ready? Give it a go. Give it a kick? Yeah, give it a kick. Yeah, boy. Excellent. Did you say wait? No, keep going. Ready? Yep, keep going. Fuck yeah.
Have you got the throttle? I wanted to make sure it turned off when I turned the key off. Which is
or I can just unplug the solenoid and it'll cut out.
You ready?
Give it a round. Excellent. Fuck yeah. Well done, boys.
With the engine running, it was time to shift the focus on the interior and begin installing the flooring and laying down the sound deadening. with virtually every single interior panel sound deadened using Dynamat, I decided to finally begin test fitting the new fiberglass headlining. This consisted of mock fitting it and drilling out all the associated holes in order to hold the headlining up prior to sending it off to the upholstery shop to get upholstered. So pretty stoked about this. Today the windscreen goes in and I've got a guy to come and give us a hand because this is an absolute bastard of a job. I'm reusing my existing seal because it's all still in really good nick and bloody expensive buying a new one. There's no reason for it. So yeah, hopefully it should be a pretty straightforward process. He did this on Ty's car and it took him only like an hour, and Ty and I tried on his car and it took us like 4 hours and we still couldn't do it. So sometimes it's better to get the professionals to come in and help you out rather than struggle through it and do some damage in the process. I cannot tell you guys how bloody excited I am as to what has finally arrived into the shed. Now this is just, you know, the first components of it, not everything has arrived, but it allows me to utilize this weekend that I've got coming up to, yeah, to get the headlining up, which I'm super stoked about. Come check it out. So here's the fiberglass headlining that you guys saw me install and actually just check to see that it fits properly, and now it's actually back from the upholstery shop. So I had to obviously cut it down the guts in order to fit it with the new Emu wing windows, so that's the back of it. However, the front piece is still a full piece, which is awesome. And whilst I was there, and I really like this addition that Ty got done on his car, so I did the same, is I got the A-pillars covered in the same material. Now I've got plastic gloves just so I don't put my sweaty fingers all over them and leave markings everywhere. I'm going to sweat to death in my in the gloves. However, that's definitely going to be well worth it in order to preserve these and keep these in good nick. But yeah, big thumbs up. Really stoked that I got this section, and I'm looking forward to getting the seats and all the other little bits and bobs